Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to talk about beautiful sentences which is very useful in our conversation. This is the best way of learning English. If you are practicing to speak these sentences, you will definitely learn how to speak English in a short period of a time. If this channel is helpful for you, please like, share, subscribe my channel. So without further delay, let's start the video. मेरी माँ कैसी थी? How was my mom? How was my mom? उसके बाल छोटे और सुनहरे थे. Her hair was short and golden. Her hair was short and golden. उसकी आंखें बड़ी मोती की तरह थी, मेरे जैसी. Her eyes were big like a pearl, like mine. Her eyes were big like pearl, like mine. उसकी नाक छोटी, क्यूट थी, तुम्हारे जैसी. Her nose was small and cute, just like yours. Her nose was small and cute, just like yours. आपको तो उनका फेस भी याद नहीं है. You don't even remember her face. You don't even remember her face. और मैं आपके साथ रहना चाहता हूँ. And I want to stay with you. And I want to stay with you. मैं आपको अपना डैडी बुलाना चाहता हूँ. I want to call you my dad. I want to call you my dad. आपने मेरा स्कूल में एडमिशन करा दिया. Thank you very much. You got me admitted in school. You got me admitted in school. और ज़्यादा परेशानी लेने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. No need to take any more trouble. No need to take any more trouble. मुझसे मिलने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, मैं अकेले रह लूँगा. No need to meet me, I'll manage to live alone. No need to meet me, I'll manage to live alone. जैसे आज तक रहता आया हूँ. The way I have done so far. The way I have done so far. सूरज, हम 3 महीने से एक साथ हैं. सूरज, we have been together since 3 months. We have been together since 3 months. और इन महीनों में मैंने 1000 बार तुमसे कहा होगा कि मैं तुमसे प्यार करती हूँ. And in those months I must have told you 1,000 times that I love you. And in those months I must have told you 1,000 times that I love you. लेकिन तुमने एक बार भी नहीं कहा है. But you didn't say it even once. But you didn't say it even once. क्यों सूरज? Why सूरज? क्या तुम मुझसे प्यार नहीं करते? डोंट यू लव मी? डोंट यू लव मी? देखो, हम बहुत अच्छे दोस्त हैं. लुक, वी आर वेरी गुड फ्रेंड्स. वी आर वेरी गुड फ्रेंड्स. तुम जानती हो कि मैं कितना बुरा हूँ और मैं जानता हूँ कि तुम कितनी अच्छी हो. यू नो हाउ बैड आई एम एंड आई नो हाउ गुड यू आर. यू नो हाउ बैड आई एम एंड आई नो हाउ गुड यू आर. मैं कुछ कहूँ तुमसे? Shall I tell you something? Shall I tell you something? Yes. देखो, प्यार कुछ दिनों में ख़त्म हो जाता है. Look, love ends after a few days. Love ends after a few days. लेकिन दोस्ती कभी ख़त्म नहीं होती, वो हमेशा रहती है. But friendship never ends. It stays forever. But friendship never ends. It stays forever. सूरज, बहुत सी लड़कियां तुम्हारी ज़िंदगी में आएंगी. सूरज, many girls will come in your life. Many girls will come in your life. हो सकता है तुम्हें सचमुच किसी से प्यार भी हो जाए. You might truly fall in love with one of them. You might truly fall in love with one of them. लेकिन मेरी ज़िंदगी में तुम पहले और आखिरी आदमी हो जिससे मैंने दिल से प्यार किया है. But for me, you are the first and last man whom I've loved deeply. But for me, you are the first and last man whom I have loved deeply. Good morning, Kabir. I'm sorry. It's all right. Thank you. अब जल्दी से नाश्ता कर लो और उसके बाद हम लोग पिकनिक पर चलेंगे. Now quickly have your breakfast. We'll go for a picnic. Now quickly have your breakfast. We'll go for a picnic. मैं नहीं आऊँगा, आप मुझे हॉस्टल में छोड़ दो. I won't come. You leave me at the hostel. I will not come. You leave me at the hostel. मत आओ, अगर तुम नहीं आना चाहते हो मैं सैंडी के साथ चला जाऊँगा. Don't come if you don't want to. I'll go with Sandy. Don't come if you don't want to. I will go with Sandy. मैंने कहा ना एक बार मैं नहीं जाऊँगा. I have told you once I will not come. I have told you once I will not come. अरे तुम क्या तुम्हारा बाप भी जाएगा. Now just you even your dad will go. Now just you even your dad will go. मुझसे बात मत करो. Don't talk to me. Don't talk to me. अगर तुम मुझसे बात नहीं करोगी मैं मर जाऊँगा. If you don't talk to me, I'll die. If you don't talk to me, I will die. तो फिर मुझे बिना बताए गए क्यों? Then why did you leave without informing me? Then why did you leave without informing me?